Welcome again. Now in the last part we have provided a box around a window, and we have discussed after constructing this box how to open this portion to expose the window. Now we will discuss how to provide steps in front of this door. Now if we provide steps selecting this face of building, then we will face some difficulties, because a shape of the steps can be observed from different elevation. For example, here if you want to provide steps in front of door, the shape of the steps, it can be observed properly through this side. This is west elevation. So I will open the west side elevation. So this is the door, and here we can see the shape of the steps either from west side or from eastern side. So this is east elevation, and here we can see the shape of the steps provided for the door. But in south direction, as it gives only the front view of the steps, it is not possible to draw the steps on working on this particular face of the wall, that is south face of the wall. Because again I am repeating, because in south elevation we can observe the front view of the steps, and front view will not give you an idea about the rise of the steps and about the traits of the steps. So this idea we will get through side view. So side view of the steps provided in front of this door can be observed either from the west elevation or western side or from the eastern side. Okay, and that's why while providing the steps we should be very careful to select a plane. So again let us use the same command of extrusion. Let us come to the architecture, go to component, select model in place, okay, then double click to casework, then simply click OK. Now since again we are working in elevation mode, okay, select extrusion, immediately it will ask you pick a plane. Now here, since I will have an idea about the rise and trade of the steps from the western side or from the eastern side, I have to select proper plane. Okay, simply click OK. Now we cannot select this south wall as a working plane. As we know, the elevation of the steps can be clearly observed from the western side or from the eastern side. We should select either east or west elevation. Okay, so I will select western side elevation. So this is western side elevation, and now after selecting the plane, again I will go to extrusion command. Okay, let us select a plane again, because we have changed the elevation. Okay, pick plane. Now since I want to work on this face of the wall, select that face. Okay, now this is the process of selecting the face. If you move your cursor to this line, only this line will be selected. I want this entire face for working. So just move the cursor and a stage will reach that you will find the entire face selected by the cursor. Okay, simply click here, and now I will draw the extrusion or the shape of the steps. So here I will use now line command. Select this line command and simply draw the elevation of the steps like this. Remember, the extrusion must be a closed figure. You cannot provide extrusion like this, because this side is open. So let us close it. Let us close it. Select line command and close the extrusion. Okay. Now, let us press this button in mode and check whether our figure is proper or not. Go to 3D. Okay. So, these are the steps, the rise, trade, etc. can be clearly visible. Now, come to the south elevation again, because the steps are provided in front of the door and this door is located in south wall. So, select that extrusion, just enlarge the view and simply pull it like this. Adjust the extrusion properly. Okay. Finish mode, and now in 3D you can see the steps in front of the door. See, so this is the simplest way to draw the steps in front of external door. Otherwise, we can use this particular command, stair command, to draw the steps. Okay. Similarly, you can provide design on the front wall or design on the parapet wall using the same command. Again I will repeat it for the south face of the wall. Again I will go to architecture, select component, select model in place, select casework, press OK, select extrusion. Okay. Pick a plane. Okay, now I want to work on south facing of the wall. Select the plane, and now you can draw design on this front wall like this. Okay. Now you can observe it in 3D like this. Finish mode, south elevation. So, thus you can provide or you can beautify the front wall of the building. So, this is all about use of extrusion. We will discuss the next command in the next part of the video. Thank you.